All right, happy Halloween, October 31st. Sitting here in the live account with Topstep, looking at my Topstep dashboard. My account is currently at $8,529 and growing nicely. For those who might be new to the channel, I started this account with 12,000, well, a little less than this. Went to $12,158 and then just dropped it all the way back down to like $4,000. Put myself in trader rehab, and I've grown out of trader rehab, and now I'm back on the green, if you will. So far, so good. 86 days complete, 83% winning days. I've had 46 days of $200 or more since my last payout. If we go to E-mini Dow, which is mostly what I'm trading right now, my average winning trade is $204. My average losing $317. Yes, that is lopsided, but there was some $3,000 losers in there early on that I gotta still slowly change the numbers. It's going to take a long time for this to level out because of that. But winning trades 72%. So 72% winning trades with 83% winning days is pretty good ratio, I would say. And slowly just grinding this thing back into the green zone. So a little PSA, if you did not know already, if you are a Topstep live trader, this might affect you with other prop firms as well. So just make sure you check and But if you are a Topstep live trader on election day, starting in the evening session, there will be no trading. You will not be allowed to trade until the next morning at 8 a.m. So that overnight session, they expect a lot of volatility, and to protect the firm's money and your accounts, there is no trading that night in a live account with Topstep. You could still trade a combine and XFA. You just can't trade with their money in a live market. Especially when the market may be extremely volatile. So it'll be really interesting to see what happens that night. Are you guys going to trade on the night of elections? I mean, if I have my combine still up, I might look at seeing if I can take some pieces of volatility. If it is volatile, it might not. It might be a dead market. I don't know. What do you think? I'm gonna look at it. I don't normally trade at night, but that sounds like a fun night to do some casino trading. So I'm curious to see what you all think. If I did trade that night, it would be scalping. Like I would be looking for 1 minute trades, in and out within a minute or even 30 seconds, in and out scalps. So this way, as things start to swing and swirl, I'm not going for that roller coaster ride. I would literally be looking for a move to be happening, buy 1,000, 1,000, sell kind of trading, scalping like that if I were going to trade that night. But it sounds like it'll be a casino night. And yeah, can't wait to see it. All right, everybody, let's get into today's trades. All right, here we are on the live account. The market opens in 1 minute. And then we'll see if we get a trade. And man, the market's just been selling off. Just insane right now. All night long. Big sell-off. I wonder if it's selling off leading into the elections. Everybody's worried about unrest or whatever. And that's the trade right there. That little drop right there. All right, right now looking for a long trade in the YM. So was that the blow off right there? We're gonna get a long trade here in just a second. Okay, market's open. Let's see what it does. It's having a tough time. The thing is, right now it's boosting into this resistance area. So it's a typical break resistance, come back up. All right.
Order filled.
In the trade to the long side. Let's see if my order is somewhat correct here. 9-1 is my stop, roughly, I think. 9, so we're a little bit. That's where the stop's supposed to be. Target's supposed to be 143. All right, in the target right now.
Stop filled.
All right, out of that trade. So pretty sweet, $395. So that worked out really good with the ATM strategy this morning. Sorry, the printer's going off behind me. Is what it is. But nice little counter trend trade there in the Dow Jones. Take that 395. Yeah, it probably could have been 404 and change there had I gotten a little better exit. My exit was supposed to be 43, and we got 41, 42 in there. So could have got like another 60 bucks out of it. Would have been closer to that $500 target I was hoping to get out of today, but $395 will do. That brings the count to $8,911. So pretty sweet. I'd love to see that say 9,000. Should I get in another trade? I should get in another trade. All right, we'll see if something sets up today. That's a good setup on the 30-minute candle, which doesn't happen very often. I have a strategy for that, but it happens like once every couple weeks. Happened yesterday, was a winner, so it might be a while before it happens again. All right, traders, that might do it for the live account. If another trade comes up, I'll bring it to you. If not, I'll see you tomorrow.